Hey guys, welcome back to Autumn Special Drawings. You might have seen few autumn leaf videos. I hope you enjoyed. Now I'm going to paint, moon, sky, ocean, and the beach. I want the sky to be very colorful. It's like a autumn night. Just I'm imagining an autumn night to be like this. Painting is all about reality and imagination. We add always little imagination to the reality. It's a heavy downpour here. I love rain. Do you like it? I'll work on this clouds now. Cloud areas are very small. Later I'll do that. I am working on this water, ocean. I need pink and blue touch, then gray towards the end, and I need little dark. I have a horizon line with a black. I'm using black to give little shade on these clouds to make it the bottom. But now I have a small problem here. It started a little slippery because I have too much of oil pastels in these cloudy areas. I have to remove some and to make it right. I can do that later. Now I'm working on this ocean. Remove this masking tape very carefully so that you will not tear the page. I'm using light yellow and little bit of yellow ochre to give small images and pictures inside the moon. If you like the video, subscribe. I'm using the scraper to create the waves. It's working well. Yeah, see, it's very good. Just we have to think what are the ways we can use the scraper. See, this work become very easy. I need more waves on the beach. People love going to beach. Even I like to go to beach and play in the water. I'm using Simon Pink to create the sand and little brown to create the edge where the water meets the beach. This is a beautiful color. I'm going to create bushes here. It's grasses, even the grass, and I'm using three different shades of green: olive green, sap green, and gray green. All these three greens goes very well together. They blend with each other, and little black creates the dark shades and adds beauty to this bush or whatever you create with the green. When you add little black to it, it creates a good real bush or the grass, the light and shade of grass and the bushes. And I have a path in between these two small bushes here. I'm using the brown to create the pathway, little yellow ochre towards the edges of the pathway. I love this because it's moving towards, the way is moving towards the beach. Don't you feel like going to beach? If it is, please refer that in the comment section. I use this scraper to create the fine lines of grass, and once I use this scraper, again I use the oil pastel so that it covers up some, rough lines and it leaves some lines visible. It looks amazing, isn't it? And this is the final touch is the pencil. Usually, I use this in all my paintings, and it creates easy to create the fine lines and the small lines, even the small images. And it's in dark, and it gives the highlights. You know, it gives actually a final touch to the entire, the painting. So, and it makes the work so easy and with thin lines. So I have the small fence on either side of the pathway, which covers up these bushes. But I feel the bushes are very plain with the green. I need little, touch to the entire green area so that it catches the eye of the viewers. I'm using the primary red and dark violet to create some flowers, so that, see, now the plain green looks so nice with a little touch dots of it. That's all. I'm done with today's work. Still, I know my clouds are not that good. I'm going to work on that. Final, you will see the final picture of the clouds. It's here now. I rectified a few things on the too much of oil pastel in the area of clouds. I'm done now. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you with another seasonal drawing. Take care. Bye bye.